What's going on, everyone? So I put in a FOIA request for the ADF facility. Now, FOIA is the Freedom of Information Act. Clearly, this facility is being used, but I can't get any form of data from it from any entity. The last person I've yet to try is FINRA themselves, which I doubt will give me any data. But anyways, let's go ahead and take a look at what they've responded with in regards to the ADF facility. So this is the letter here. Response Freedom of Information Act 5 USC 552 request. This letter is in response to your request dated October 30th, 2021, and received in this office on November 1st, 2021, for information regarding ADF facility data. Based on the information you provided in your letter, we conducted a thorough search of the SEC's various systems of records. Well, no shit, I can do that. If all you're doing is searching SEC records, then, we're at a loss here. But did not locate or identify any information responsive to your request. If you still have reason to believe that the SEC maintains this type of information you seek, please provide us with additional information which could prompt another search. Oh, I will. Otherwise, we conclude that no responsive information exists and we consider this request to be closed. You have the right to appeal, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so they're searching SEC systems, but they want me to contact FINRA. Finally, you may wish to contact the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, FINRA. It's funny how you mentioned that I should contact them, considering you know that they own the facility. So you should be hitting up FINRA for me and fulfilling my request, but, whatever, Felicia, whatever. That's her name. No fees have been assessed for the processing of this request, okay? As such, your fee waiver request is moot. No shit. If you have questions, please contact me. Okay. You work for the SEC, so why would you give me information on the ADF? Got it. Anyways, this is the market share graph from Cboe's own website, right? They're an SRO that files all the time for market share, like all of the other SROs. We can see all the exchanges here are selected, and this is the market share for the date of Tuesday, November 2nd, 2021. What do you see as the biggest entity on here by far? Like not even compared, is the ADF, right? So how are you going to tell me that this gap in market share, the prime ruler of all things market share, you can't find data, really? So where's all this data coming from? This data here is pulled from the consolidated the tape authority. So why so cautious to give me any information on the ADF? It makes no sense. Yet at the same time, when we go here to, FINRA's own website, there's no data for it yet. They say that, yet, right here, ADF. Why host this data then that's always zeroed out? Why? Something's going on here. I'm trying to figure it out. Anyways, FOIA, nah, they did not do shit.